Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I'm going to share with you what's coming in the Save Coupon insert on Sunday, August the 21st, 2022. Inserts can vary per region. I get mine in the mailbox. They do not come in our newspapers anymore. So that is how I have access to them early. I do not sell inserts. 4 off of 2 Tresemme hair styling. So that'll be a really good coupon to use. Splenda, 4 off of 2, 4 off of 1 on the shakes, and $1.50 on the Splenda coffee creamer. I think we still have Ibotta $1 back on that. Garnier, 3 off of 2 and 3 off of 2 of the whole blends. $1 on the Listerine. Nivea, we have 4 off of 2 body lotion and shower cream, 2 off of 1, and the 2 off of 2 lip care. Flonase, $5 off of 1, $6 on the spray, and $3 on a smaller count. All, we have $1.50 and $2 on, it says large size. Keep in mind, these are always a limit of 1. And then we usually get digital coupons, so you can technically get 2 items. $1.50 on Snuggle, $2 on the In-Wash Scent Boosters, 3 off 2 Dove hair care products. Now it does have the hair therapy pictured, but I'm pretty sure it should still work on any Dove hair care product, so just be aware of that. $1.50 on the Degree Men's Motion Sense Antiperspirant or the dry spray or the clinical, and $1.50 same thing on the women's. $1 on the Briars. Buy one, get one free. Love Beauty and Planet. I think we got some ads here. 75 cents on the Country Crock. It says or the plant-based product. So I guess you could get either or. And the back page, I don't ever say this word correctly, so you guys can just say it in your head. There's a 2 off of 2, $1.50 off of 2, and $1 off of 2 of the panko breadcrumbs. All right, guys, so that's all that's coming in my inserts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.